In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Capitec top-up voucher with the app. Start by launching the Capitec banking app on your phone and log in using your PIN or biometrics. Now tap the Transact button from the main menu, then tap Buy Vouchers. This is where Capitec shows all voucher options you can handle in the app. Select Capitec top-up voucher if available or another type like Flexi voucher depending on what you want to do. Capitec top-up vouchers are often used for prepaid mobile top-ups or other services. Now enter in the amount and of course choose the account to pay from and input the recipient's cell phone number. Now, once purchased, you'll then receive a week code or voucher PIN by SMS or in-app history. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!